this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Trust Wallet. So from a Trust Wallet, we're going to click on Receive, and in here we're going to select Solana. So you can select it from here, or you can search for Solana, and then you're going to click on it. After you've done that, you will find your unique wallet address, and you can either scan the QR code, or you can click on Copy, and then we're going to head over to our Robinhood app. So from our Robinhood app, we're going to click on Send, and here we're going to select Solana, and down below you're going to click on Enter Address. Paste in the address in here, and then click on Continue. And now we can enter the amount of Solana that we want to send. So let's say I want to send $0.50 of Solana. Click on Review, and down below click on Submit. So as you can see, we're sending Solana right now. The transfer is processing, and my balance will be updated after it's confirmed. So let's click on Done. And then we're going to head over to Trust Wallet to see if the transfer is processed. So as you can see, we have received our Solana. So that is how you transfer Solana from Robinhood to your Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.